Hello and welcome. With the advancement in robotic science and technology, robots are increasingly integrated into various aspects of daily life. In this video, we will explore the various uses of robots in modern-day life. Number 1. Healthcare and medical assistance. Surgical robots. They assist surgeons in performing precise and minimally invasive procedures. Rehabilitation therapy robots assist patients in physiotherapy by guiding them through exercises. Robots help us in the field of telemedicine and allow doctors to interact and treat patients remotely using robots equipped with cameras and sensors. Number 2. Elderly and disability care. Companion robots. Robots like LEQ provide companionship, medication reminders, and cognitive stimulation for the elderly. Robotic exoskeletons worn by workers in industries like construction, manufacturing, and warehousing enhance strength and reduce strain, preventing injuries while boosting productivity. Robots in manufacturing industry. In the manufacturing industry, robots can handle tasks such as welding, painting, assembly, and packaging, improving precision and reducing human error. Collaborative robots, or cobots, work alongside humans in factories, enhancing efficiency while ensuring safety. Robots in agriculture. Harvesting robots. Robots like the agrobot can selectively pick fruits or vegetables with improved efficiency and saves human efforts and time. Drones equipped with sensors monitor crops, optimize watering, and detect pests or diseases early. Robots in logistics and delivery. Warehouse automation. Robots like the ones used by Amazon automate picking goods, sorting, and transporting within the warehouse. Autonomous delivery. Companies like Starship Technologies use robots for local deliveries of groceries and packages. Robots in education and child development. Robotic tutors, like NAO, assist in teaching children coding, math, and social interaction, especially for children with autism. Learning and educational robots like Lego Mindstorms help kids to learn engineering, programming, and problem-solving in interactive ways. Robots in search and rescue operations. Disaster relief robots like drones and ground-based machines are used to search for survivors in disaster areas. Search and rescue (SAR) robots are designed to assist in emergency and disaster situations where human access is difficult, dangerous, or time-sensitive. They can be deployed in various terrains. Cleaning and maintenance robots. Robots like Roomba, vacuum cleaners, and window cleaning robots help with household chores. Industrial cleaning robots, large-scale robots, clean commercial spaces, like airports or malls, more efficiently than human workers. Robots in space exploration. Mars rovers. NASA's Perseverance rover explores Mars, collecting data and samples for research. Robots also assist astronauts with space station repairs or assembling space equipment. Robots in security and surveillance. Patrol robots, like Nightscope, patrol public areas or private properties to identify threats and report security issues. Surveillance robots are used in law enforcement or security to monitor secure areas or private houses. Gaming and entertainment robots. Robots are increasingly being integrated into sports and games to assist players, improve training, enhance performance, and make games more exciting. These entertainment robots not only enhance the audience experience, but also push the boundaries of creativity by merging technology with art, gaming, and live performances in exciting new ways. Cooking robots. Robotic chefs automate various tasks in home kitchens, restaurants, and even large-scale food production. These robots can prepare, cook, and serve food with precision, consistency, and speed. Hospitality robots. Robots are replacing humans as receptionists in hotels. Some robots help customers within hotels to deliver items such as towels, snacks, and toiletries to guest rooms, providing efficient and contactless service. These examples highlight how robots are being used to transform industries, healthcare, education, and everyday life. With the advancements in AI, machine learning, sensors, etc., robotics technology will push the capabilities of robots far beyond. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe for most interesting videos.